Okay, so today we've got a JVC 2-inch TV and it just doesn't work. Normally you'd have a red light down on in this corner, but it just doesn't work. I think we had a power spike or something like that, and it hasn't worked ever since. So it is a JVC LED Smart HD TV. I'll put a proper picture of that on the description, but basically we're going to open it up and have a look. I've already opened this up. As you can see, the screws are missing. You've got screws all around the edge. You've got the two there. You've got the wall mounting brackets. And if I can do it without smashing up there, you can see that you got them round there, that one there, there, and there. So I'm now going to take the cover off, the back cover. We've got it on the ground, and I'll show you inside. Okay, so here we are. We've got the back of the TV off. We're interested in coming over here. So we've got our screen controller there, and we've got a screen power supply here, which also does all the other funky stuff. Yeah, provides power to it. Now this particular model is an Android one, but this is really common board. It's used in JVCs, Hitachis, and all sorts. So fortunately, I was going to make a video. As you can see what's wrong there. You don't even need to test it, do you? It's just black. So there you go. So I've ordered a new power card. I'm going to call it a power card. It's PCB. As you can see, I've already taken this one off. I've just reassembled it for this video. But down here you can see the diodes there. They are as black as anything, and they've just basically blown apart. So that's it, that one's done. You could, if you really wanted to, go to board level and change the diodes and this, that, the other, but when I looked at them, they're about £3, and you could buy a new card from, well, not new, but second-hand card from eBay, which I have done. And that was £9 including delivery. So I thought, yeah, I'll have some of that. But anyway, the most important thing with this, right, is that you have this in your hand. Now, as you know, this is a UK one, because that's where I am, and it just goes to that little plug there. So pop that little plug out. So you have to excuse me, I need two hands really to take that out, but I'm going to do it, because there you go, that's your mains. Over here, I think that's backlight, let's hope so. And then this card just slides out. Obviously if you've just turned it off, don't start touching them or that. Any of the capacitors, you want to give it at least 5 minutes to discharge. And as you can see, that is well and truly porked. But on the other side, it doesn't look too bad, to be fair. But on that side where the thing is, it's knackered. So over there it goes. Here is our little replacement. And as you can see, on this one, they're not porked. So I'm going to quickly slide that one in there. That goes on there. Oh, look, it fits a beaut, doesn't it? That one. You have to excuse me. I'm actually in my back room. And just do a quick one before I go to work. And then that one goes in there. But before... It's a Vestel board, if you Google that, and It's an 17 IPS 62. That's what we got. And now I'm going to put the screws back in exactly the same as when I took it off. Go rebuild it all. I'll do little steps, and then we'll power it up. Okay, so I'm going to screw those in now. Okay, so that's all screwed up. Don't forget it's the silver screws that go back in that one. Okay, so now it's time to put the case on, which is this wee bad boy. Okay, the case is now on, and we're going to pop all those screws in. Aha! So, I just thought I'd add this little one. Do you notice I sorted my screws out into 3 different piles? We have 17 of that. They've got a nice flat pan head. These are the casing screws that go around here, all the way round, okay? These ones, they also have a flat pan head, if my camera will do it justice. Right, they got a nice flat head on them, right? And they've got a machine screw thread. Okay, not that you can really make that out much. They go here and here. It is very important that you don't get the wrong screw in there, because otherwise you'll go straight into the back of your screen. And these ones, which are just like PK screws, or got like a self-tapping thread for plastic, those ones go here and here. Okay, right, see you in a moment. Okay, there it is. All the screws are back in. All good show. Those are in, those 2 are in. Lovely. Right, let's get it back in position and get it turned on. Okay, so now for the grand turn on. Watching that light down there? Oh, that is flashing for standby mode. Let's give it a little power up, shall we? Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on. Ho, 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 ho. And it lives. Okay, I haven't got anything plugged into it at the moment, but if we can go to... It lives. £9. And it is fixed. All you have to do is just change the power board. And that is most likely going to be the same for most of them, to be fair. Could not launch Netflix. Oh, I've had a new... That's why I wish you... Because we don't use this TV much. I need to... I'll tell you what, I'll log into the internet and then I'll be back in a second. So... We've finally got it all working. As you can see, it's working. It's now doing an Android system update, and hopefully it'll be pretty okay after that. Because these Android TVs, I don't like. I'm not a fan myself. I much prefer the old style. You turn it on, you select your inputs, job done. But these Android TVs, it just seems to be slow and laggy, and well, let's see what it's like after the update. See you in a moment. Okay, so we are live. And you know that lagginess that I was saying about? Button pressed. Got all of that. Just gone down and it's slow. But yeah, it's just what these are like. They suck. But anyway, never mind. Yeah, so there you go. All working. Just need a new power card. Okay. See you in the next video. Please like, subscribe and share along and all of that good stuff, please, as that all helps. And then I can actually do some decent stuff. I tell you what, I don't know how many more winters I've got in my proper job. But yeah, and I'd like to do this. So just stripping stuff down, rebuilding it and showing you how to fix it. So please, yeah, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right. Please, thank you very much. All right, bye. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye. So there's one final little view. Just to show, I just picked that up. Put it back in. Oh, it would do that, wouldn't it? That's his switch. So the last little thing is that's my son's switch that's coming through the HDMI, obviously from a base. So, but yeah, so it's all working. Lovely. Hope that gets you out of trouble.